Thank you. Our legal panel is now back. Former prosecutor Jeffrey Gold and criminal defense attorney Nicole DeBoard. Nicole, I mean, you've read through this appeal. What do you think? Does he have a chance?
Well, I think he has some interesting points. I mean, no matter what we think we know about Peterson, the reality is that trials in death penalty cases are serious. They cost taxpayers a huge amount of money, and it has to be done exactly to the letter of the law. And one of the points that concerns me is the fact that this dog evidence came in. That should have never come in over objection because it was scientifically unreliable, and the jurors shouldn't have had the information to make their decision.
Yeah, I spent a lot of months up there covering this trial, Jeffrey, and I read through the appeal here, and it looks pretty thin to me.
That's right. I think it is thin. Number one, they talk about the media coverage, publicity. How about Casey Anthony? There was a lot of publicity, and she was acquitted. That's going nowhere. The dog evidence, it won't be reversible error. It could be error. It could not be error. It's going to go as to the weight. And the same thing is really true of some of the other points that they made. Publicity and the jurors, you know, they talk about the jurors. They should have been questioned more when they said, I can't listen to a death penalty case or I'm against it. They didn't have to. That's something that's routinely done in most courts in America. If you can't follow the law, you can't be a juror. I don't think this appeal is going anywhere.
But I got to tell you, Nicole, you know, my buddy Bob Massey makes a very good point when he says, because I remember when they let those jurors get inside that boat and they were kind of shaking the boat around saying, look how easy it is. You can throw the body out like this. I mean, that was something that even at the time, a lot of legal experts are saying that doesn't seem like it's a proper procedure.
Sure.
Nicole, the jury could weigh that.
Go ahead,
I mean,
Jeffrey.
that's something that's not going to be reversible error. I kind of agree with you, but on the other hand, I don't think it's going to be a basis for reversal, and I don't think the boat's going to be a basis for reversal either, because they get to go to the scene, and to all intents and purposes, that was the scene for this case. So I don't think it's going anywhere.
Yeah. Just by the way, for the edification of our audience, the dog evidence we're talking about was the dog, excuse me, Nicole, got a scent of Lacey Peterson at the Berkeley Marina. But that dog's hit rate was only about 66%, so they said the dog wasn't very good. I got to go. Both of you, Jeffrey Gold and Nicole DeBoard, thank you both. We'll see.